I'm going to show you guys how to take the door panel off a 2019 Acura TLX. I think 15 up, they're all the same right at the moment. So there's going to be a little, I don't know if you can see, this little flap thingy. Remove this guy. There's 2 screws down here, you see them? 1, 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Then in here there's a little rubber. Let me pull it out and show you. This rubber thing, the little goes in here. If it's dirty, full of coffee, good time to clean it. Pull that guy out. There's another little tiny Phillips screw in here. Right there. Pull that guy out. This door panel should come up. There's a little spot right here. See, I just hold it, I just pull on it, the clips. Look at that. Super easy. Like how easy is that? And then this thing sits on the track right here. Just literally just lift up, and you can get in here quick. I'll show you. You got these guys here, so this guy's got to get moved up. So you can get rid of that guy. That guy got to come out. Let's say probably just disconnect this from here. Disconnect those. And then you got the plugs right here. From the way I look at it, the whole thing came undone. A lot of plugs for a door. 1 and 2. And that's how you remove the door panel. Really simple. 2 screws here. 1 screw in there. You hold it right here. Pull on it. It'll pop off all the green clips. Very simple. The 2019 Acura TLX door panel, driver's side. How to remove it. Installation is the same thing. You practically just slide onto here, onto this track right here, and just make sure you pop it in. Don't punch on it like this. Make sure it should clip in really easy.